Okay, so here we have a glossary of commerce terms, and we start here with the vowels, and as you can see here, I, I, E, A. These are some of the vowel sounds, and the diphthongs, where you have two vowel sounds together. This is the phonetic alphabet. The consonants are usually a lot easier, and then you can see we have a list of words that are pretty much essential business vocabulary, starting with A for accessories. And this little apostrophe here you see between the syllables is significant in that you stress the second syllable, the syllable after the apostrophe. Accessories. Noun, things that you wear or carry that are not clothes, for example, jewelry or bags. So it's good to have a definition, and what we can do is then try to construct sentences where we can use this vocabulary. And the first thing really is to go through the list and to have a look at what are the new words for you, or ones that seem unfamiliar, and other words that you would say, you know, that would be useful, that would be handy. I would like to learn how to use that word in context. And here we have another list from C onwards. And as you can see, there are quite an extensive list of words, but the pronunciation, the phonetic alphabet, is there in blue after every word. And as I say, the object is to pronounce correctly, and also to use each word in a context, so that you could be confident in using it in a sentence today or even tomorrow in a meeting. So we will be starting with this document, and I would say it's a good idea to just circle the words that you think would be useful for yourself to start with. I look forward to seeing you at my workshop, Vocabulary Commerce, shortly, and take care and see you soon.